Rocky Chatwell.
From?
Texas. I'm currently 17 and I ride Crazy Fly kiteboards. They're my boy sponsor. And I ride Dakine harnesses, and Pro Kite Surf is a local shop that sponsors me. And I have also Dairy Queen that makes hamburgers back home. They sponsor me. It's really good. And then I also have a real estate company called Cash Real Estate and a coffee cup software that does websites. So
Hey, you've got quite an impressive sponsor portfolio, I'd say. Huh?
thank you.
Okay, so Rocky, how do you like Austria?
It's awesome. I mean, it's great. The wind's good when it's on. It's just a little cold for me because I'm from Texas. But this is my first time here. It's my third event in the PKRA. The first one was last year that I went to in Canada, Van Isles de la Magdalene, and I placed 9th. And then I went to Venezuela, which was before this, and I came out 13th. Oh yeah, I won the Most Improved Riders Award.
The Most Improved Riders Award at the PKRA now in Venezuela.
That's it.
Wow, that's...
I got a H2O audio housing for the iPod Nano.
Yeah man, you're wearing it right now?
No, I brought it with me though, so I'm just grabbing my iPod now.
Cool. Okay, and you're gonna compete at all the stops this year?
That's the plan.
Yeah?
RockyChatwell.com.
Cool. See you later.
Alright.